How to visualize data in console programs, CS Intro. Imagine trying to understand a mountain of numbers without any pictures or charts. It can be confusing and hard to see patterns. That's where visualizing data in console programs comes in handy. Even though console programs only use text, you can still make data easy to read and analyze. This skill is especially useful for 10th graders learning computer science because it builds a strong foundation in how data works. First, you can create simple charts using characters like asterisks or hashes. For example, if you want to show how many students scored above 80% in different tests, you can print a line with a number of asterisks that match each score. If 10 students scored above 80, you print 10 asterisks next to that test. This makes it easy to compare scores visually. You can also make line charts by printing characters in a sequence to show trends over time. Next, organizing data into tables makes it easier to read. You can print headers like date, sales, and expenses, and then align the data underneath using spaces or pipes. Some programming languages have built-in functions or libraries to help with this. For example, in Python, the tabulate library can turn lists of data into neat tables in the console. This helps you see relationships between data points clearly. You can also make simple graphs with characters. For example, a horizontal bar chart can be created by printing a label followed by a number of hash symbols. If you want to compare sales in different months, print the month name and then print hashes proportional to sales numbers. This makes it easy to see which months had higher or lower sales at a glance. Handling input and output is important too. Your program can ask the user for data, like dates or categories, then process that data and display the visualization. This makes your program interactive and more useful for exploring different data sets. For beginners, start small. Practice by printing numbers and simple text outputs to understand how data looks in the console. Plan your layout carefully by deciding where to put headers and how to align columns. Use loops to automate printing repeated characters, which saves time and makes your visualizations dynamic. Always test your code with small data sets first to see how it looks before working with larger or real data. Breaking the task into steps helps manage your time. First, get the data input, then process it, then print simple output, and finally add more detailed visualizations. Comment your code clearly so you can understand and fix it later. Learning to visualize data in console programs helps you develop important skills in programming, data handling, and communicating information. It's a great way to practice problem solving and logical thinking, especially when graphical tools are not available. This approach is perfect for an introductory computer science course and helps you build confidence in working with data.